You know, on those days that you're like just struggling, like everything goes wrong, you don't know what to do, and you're just like, what's the point? And expletive here, basically, right? Well, there's something I want to tell you. There are two things that you can do, but it's really based on a mindset game. The first thing is send little text messages out to the universe, little, signals, little things, little thoughts, text messages out to the world. And tell the world what it is you really want. Because if you don't know what you really want, those things are not going to happen in your life. So let's take that a step back. Get really, really clear on what it is you want in life. Spend time thinking about that. Spend time experiencing different things. And spend time focusing on what you want. That way, you can then ask the universe or God or the world or people or whatever for it. The more you do that, the more things will start to come back to you. The universe has this kind of mysterious way that if you put it out there, it comes back. That's what the whole book, The Secret, was about, the law of attraction. If you know what you want, send those text messages out to the world, send those signals, and ask for those things in return. And I guarantee you, things will start to pop open, little doors will open, little lights will go off, and you'll start to see things happening in your life that will bring you closer to the things you want. The other thing is to understand that you just simply sometimes have to trust the process. If you're putting in the work and you're taking the action, not just acting like you're doing it, like taking in information and learning, but you are actually taking steps every single day to make things happen. If you are experiencing things, if you're going to classes and activities and meeting with new people, if you're creating new content and engaging with people on different platforms, if you are working every day to take action, things will start to happen. You simply have to trust the process and give it time. If I can help make this easier for you, you know what to do. Message me, comment below, DM me, instant message me, email me. I'm here for you and I love you lots. Trust the process. Send out the text messages to the universe. And yes, I know this is cheesy, but it makes sense. I'm here for you. I love you. Hope you have a good day. Bye.